Ani, and Phila Njani, and then we also donate just like the Michael's village.
Yeah. A very good morning to you all, guys. My name is Tobeka Hatebe, aka German Girl. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. As ningibonile ngigqokile red and white wami. I'm sure nawe lapho unethekile udla ama-grapes, udla ama-strawberry wena ama-cream, uyangithola? Yes. So guys, namuhla akuphude kakhulu so yakolanza yena sisi wami khona lapho Alisa Gamawu. Yes. So wena stay tuned ngisaka umlanza. Thank you.
1+1 is 2. Coco. Star. Kulunama. Mission Chalos. Coco. Tula mabo. Da. Body follow. No.
Okay, babukele ezingishilo ukuthi ngidela komlanza yena sis Alisa. So sitomcela ukuthi asitshele kabanzi about herself. Ngitshele ukuthi wakabani, wakuphi, ufundzaphi, ufundza grade bani. Hi sis Alisa.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
So tshela babukele about yourself.
Okay, hi, my name is Alisa. My second name is Kamau. I'm in grade 5 in Nelspruit Primary. I'm 11 years old. My mom's name is Gladys Piwakwebi. My dad's name is Renis Peter Kamau.
Okay, sis Alisa, so please tell us when did you join in Ilofundo? Because
I joined last year. I joined last year. Last year. I can't remember.
Okay, so who told you about Ilofundo? Because
My mom.
your mom. Shout out to mommy out there. Okay, says Alisa. As you saw, last week we had lunch. Yeah, yellow.
8th anniversary.
Yes. Ngicela ubatshele babukele ukuthi bekedakalani.
Okay, last week we had a braai, business braai. We ate a cake which was made by Mr. Mashaba, and it was nice. They also made cupcakes. It was nice. We ate sweets. We enjoyed. We made it was nice.
Okay, so as you can see, namuhla si celebrate Valentine angithi. So can you please tell me what is your understanding of Valentine?
Valentine's Day is all about love. Showing your love to your friends, your family, sharing your kindness to people, showing them how much you care about them.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
So when who's your favorite person that you'd like to spend time with ngelanga le Valentine?
My family.
Your family. Okay. So ezobona ukuthi kusaqala minyaka engithi kusentoba nemawok lamaningi leso athindako. Mau estimator. So ubuka mawok past nemawok alaqhamukako. Ngiyiphi lo ngangitshela ukuthi yabona le ngiyithandzile or ngitoyithandza futhi into leso so ungangitshela uthini?
I think it's Heritage Day.
Okay, why Heritage Day?
Because I can get a chance to show people about tell people about my culture, show them how I love my culture, even if so many people are not some Kenyans are not in this in Valencia. Like show people how much I love my culture.
Okay. Okay. Now usithanda heritage. What is your culture? What are you? Umzulu.
I'm a Kenyan.
Kenyan. Ooh, Kenyan guys, crackhead. Hey, njengoba wathi ukuthi here kaLofold Workers we adopted isikolo, which is Michael's village. And there's no kamba sometimes siyobanika amaphasela ekudla. Do you think it's a great or a bad thing? Why do you think so?
I think it's a good thing because like some kids they don't have food. Some of them they don't have clothes because some families don't work.
Okay. Okay. So sitatuke library yebantwana, which is EA. Yeah, what do you think about it? Is it a great place? Nendani lena? Do you enjoy? Jay, tell me about the library.
I think the library is a good thing because like some kids they like reading,
Okay.
and some kids some families can buy their some parents can buy their children books so that they
Okay.
can read.
Mm.
And like the library thing, I think it's gonna help some kids,
Okay.
just like the grade ones, the grade twos, the grade threes. They're gonna grow up knowing how to read.
Okay. So when as you're part of the library, which one is your favorite book? Do you have a favorite book or what? This has a like driver
It's a it's a Afrikaans book, but then I forgot the title.
Okay, guys, Afrikaans. Mara niyayati yona. But okay, so soon enough, so hambiwe kule walk here long walk. Leyo crosser a border. Do you think you're going or not?
I wanted to go, but then my mom's gonna say no.
Mama, let the child come, man. So hamba na so mgada thina. So kule walk le. What do you understand about it?
Understand ukuthi sakha bungani nalamanye African countries, just like ukuthi angithi siyakubona ukuthi lalamanye country adlani and iyaphila njani, and then we also donate just like the Michael's village
Yeah.
thing.
Okay. So njengoba kulona ke after a long walk, kuba nema-walk lamaningi lamnati, kukhala walk, everything, name them nje wena. Ngiyiphi i-walk loyithanza and lubukeka forward to yona?
It's the color walk because I love all of the rainbow colors and like yeah.
Okay, guys, as in Shilo ukuthi as ashilo siswethu lana ukuthi yena uthanze i-color walk. Wena ungavinjwa yini kudla kodwa sishona nawe utotibonela maybe kwathi bani na utohamba nathi kule cross walk yethu wena batakhona ngicela subscribe to our channels ku-YouTube, Instagram, name them all thina sikhona everywhere. Nani bathini i-eggs le yeni yabo gogwethu nabo mkhulwethu nina ma-1K vele makuyeni subscribe-ani guys, ni-like man, ni-share to other people sikhulise i-account ngiyangibona. Yeah, so with further ado sesiyayivala lento sithi don't promise, commit.